The landscape of Yosemite National Park results from its unique geology, shaped by glacial erosion of underlying granite. Iconic landforms including Yosemite Valley, Yosemite Falls, Bridalveil Fall, Capitan, Half Dome, and Cathedral Peak are known worldwide. Yosemite preserves a fascinating geologic story, hundreds of millions of years in the making, sculpted by water, ice, and temperature changes. Yosemite National Park lies within the heart of the Sierra Nevada, the largest fault-block mountain range in the United States. Trending northwest-southeast for over 300 miles, the Sierra Nevada traverses half of California. Geologically, the Sierra Nevada is a massive crustal block bounded on its east by a fault system along which it has been uplifted and tilted westward. This ongoing process of uplift and tilt created the present range and continues today. Yosemite's geologic story has two parts. First, emplacement of granitic rocks in a subduction zone and metamorphism of older sedimentary rocks. Later, uplift, erosion, and glaciation forming today's mountainous landscape. The Sierra Nevada consists mainly of granite, a salt and pepper rock composed primarily of quartz, plagioclase, potassium feldspar, biotite, and hornblende. Various plutonic rocks, granite, granodiorite, diorite, and tonalite occur in Yosemite, loosely termed granitic rocks. These varieties result from different magma compositions intruded at different times and magma separation into crystal-rich and crystal-poor fractions. Yosemite's granites are part of the Sierra Nevada batholiths, a large amalgamation of plutons, bodies of magma that froze within Earth rather than erupting. The batholiths formed through subduction when tectonic plates converged around 220 million years ago, making California's west coast similar to today's Andes. Most granites in Yosemite formed during the Cretaceous period, 105 to 85 million years ago, eventually exposed by gradual erosion over millions of years. The sheer cliffs of Yosemite Valley, spire-like peaks, and rounded domes result from granite's strength as an unlayered, massive rock that sustains bold forms. Large interlocking crystals form as magma slowly cools, creating one of the strongest rock types. El Capitan's vertical face, rising 3,000 feet above Yosemite Valley, exemplifies granite's strength and relative lack of fractures. By the end of the Cretaceous period, around 65 million years ago, subduction and granite production ended. The Sierra Nevada was then a substantial mountain range. For tens of millions of years, gradual erosion stripped away overlying rocks, exposing deep granites. Within the past 20 million years, the region began uplifting and tilting southwest, eventually creating the present Sierra Nevada. Eastern faulting steepened western slopes and rivers, causing them to carve valleys more quickly. As southwest tilt increased, streams flowing to California's Central Valley cut deeper canyons. About 3 billion years ago, as the world cooled, glaciers began advancing and retreating from the range crest. During cold period, glacial ice covered much of higher Yosemite and sent glaciers down most valleys. Glacial landforms include polished granite, U-shaped canyons, jagged peaks, rounded domes, waterfalls, moraines, erratics, and glacial lakes. Glaciers smooth completely buried landforms like Lambert Dome, while sharpening projecting features like Cathedral Peak. Moving ice polishes granite and leaves linear scratches called glacial striations. Glaciers convert narrow V-shaped river canyons into broader U-shaped valleys with steep walls and flat floors. When main valley glaciers retreat, tributary valleys hang high above, creating waterfalls like Bridalveil, Yosemite, Sentinel, and Erosion Falls. Virtually all natural park lakes result from glacial scouring, though they are gradually filling with sediment. From granitic domes and waterfalls to sediment-filled valleys, Yosemite exhibits past processes of plate tectonics and glaciation, alongside ongoing weathering and erosion that continue shaping one of America's most impressive landscapes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.